Hey, did you hear the news? Zoom will now allow you to stream in multiple locations at once. That is how you know this is not an AI avatar. This is actually me, the human, Molly Mahoney. Great to meet you. We've been doing a little video series on how to use Zoom to stream into Facebook groups. Now that the API access is going away, Zoom has actually made it easier than ever. This is like my 7th hour of recording videos today. Zoom has made it even easier than ever, and they also have the ability to stream into multiple locations at once without some other weird sort of integration directly through Zoom. Check it out. Okay, so when you're in Zoom, on the bottom of the screen, you'll see a little box that says apps. If you don't see it, you have to actually stretch the Zoom screen out a little bit, and then it will appear right there. Okay, now at this point, the Zoom screen gets even longer. So we get this right here. You're going to search for the live streaming app and then open it. You may have to install it and open it. Now, I've already connected mine to several different things. So you'll just click add channel, and then you can connect YouTube. It's pulling up YouTube. You'll have to actually sign into your Zoom account. And then it'll ask you to select your YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is The Prepared Performer. You can subscribe, especially if these Zoom videos have been helpful. You're going to set all of that up, and then Zoom is already open, but then it will actually connect right here. So you'll be able to set a title, and I'm going to actually just do this live right now as a test. I'm going to do this one. Okay, when you connect this, you need to actually click on the little gear right here and change it so that it is not unlisted. So you want it to be public unless you want it to be unlisted. And then I would change the resolution to 1080. Great. And then you can go edit it in the Creator Studio if you want to do that. It'll bring you straight into YouTube, which is interesting. It does give you this weird like warning, but then it's fine. You just go straight in there. I had this happen earlier. And then you can edit it in here. I'm not actually going to be doing that, but you could. The other thing is for Facebook, you have to do the same thing because I didn't realize when I first did this, it was set to only me so nobody else could see it. So when you watch the rest of this video, you're going to see no one jumps in when I'm live. It's because no one could see it. So I'm going to change it to public, and I'm going to make that 1080, and then I'm going to end it. And then with the Facebook groups, when you're setting these up, you just have to watch the other training that I did on how to do that. I'm not going to go into that here. Okay. Pretty cool. Now let's go in on how to go live and what it looks like. It's pretty fun. And then I have to actually turn them on. So in another video, which you can find on my channel, The Prepared Performer, we actually connected a Facebook group using the custom RTMP. I'm not going to walk that through on here, but this is how you can do that for a Facebook group. It's super cool because you can actually connect more than one group. So I could have free Facebook group. I've got a bunch of different Facebook groups and I can connect all of them in here. And then I just turn them on and then I'm going to hit start streaming. So I'm actually going to turn my main camera on here. Let's try it and see if it works. I'm testing out the new live stream on Facebook and YouTube at the same time via Zoom while I am recording a training on how to do it. So if you're watching this in an actual tutorial that is not live, here's what you're going to see. You'll see right here. So now you can see there's someone who's joined us on Facebook and there's someone who's joined us on YouTube. So if you are watching this on Facebook, if you could do me a favor and just comment on the video and then we can see if there's a chat. I don't know if this chat shows. Oh my gosh, you guys, you can actually see the chat on YouTube. This is so cool. I can't believe it's taken this long for them to make this happen. So I'm going to go comment on my own YouTube video. Watch. We're going to go to my own channel. Watch this. I'm going to chat. Testing. It's like totally new and it's amazing. I can't actually write, but I can talk to you with my face and you can talk to me with your fingers. It's cool. I don't know if the Facebook chat will come in. Let's try it. Where are you? Wah, wah. Coming soon, but that's okay. That's still pretty cool, huh? Okay. YouTube chat. That's still awesome. And then on this side, while I'm live, I can actually manage the video while I'm live on Facebook. So this is going to bring me back into what I was showing in those other videos, the live video producer. I know it's a little tricky at first, but and it's kind of like we're going back in time, but it's working. It's working. It's working. We're here. It's working. Oh my gosh. Okay. So that's it. I now have showed you how you can go live in multiple places from Zoom. You can go to YouTube, Facebook, Custom RTMP, Twitch, other places like that. And now I'm going to show you how to end it. Okay. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to stop the stream, and then it's actually going to automatically stop the stream on YouTube and on Facebook, which is pretty cool. And then it's going to ask, are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. And then check it out. The live video has ended. So it actually ends it. It used to be that you had to go end it over on Facebook, which was really confusing. Look at that. And now these channels stay here. So it makes it super easy to do this in the future. Wow. How cool. Okay. Now, truth be told, do I wish that these changes had never happened on Facebook? 1,000,000%. Am I stoked that Zoom is getting with it? Yes, I am. And if you need more help from me, my hair looks so crazy today. I don't know what is happening. I just got it cut and I feel like, I don't know. But this is me, not the human. I mean, I am the human, not the avatar. There's 3 other videos. I'll link them at the end of this video on how to connect your Zoom to a Facebook group, how to connect tools like BeLive and Restream to a Facebook group now that the API changes have happened. And then this one is how you can go in multiple places on YouTube, Facebook, whatever, all at the same time. My name's Molly Mahoney. If you want more content on how you can create more content that leads to more sales, we would love to support you. Check out the little coupon code in the chat for our content club. You can get half off. So fun. We love helping you to use AI automation to be authentically awesome, just like you are. Okay, bye.